The dragon painted pine bar on the Lower Salmon River with a palette of 3 colors. Brown for the background, green for the foreground, and yellow for the accents. Life wasn't easy on this rocky bar. Native Americans as far back as 16,000 years before present, gold miners of the late 1800s, and cattle ranchers of the early 1900s left their mark in both stones and bones. During low flow conditions, Pine Bar Rapids adds another color to the canvas: white. Lots of white. This steep rocky maze is littered with frothy white cascades. Wise rowers scout and carefully plan their escape route. However, even experienced guides occasionally get entangled in this whitewater web. With some skill and a lot of luck, rowers passed through unscathed. Meanwhile, the dragon, hidden high above Pine Bar, tends to the rock garden below and adds to its complexity. He knows the best path through the labyrinth, but he isn't talky.